Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amanda Renee, and in this video I'll be doing a wash and go using a mousse on my type 4 natural hair. So I have my hair sectioned off into 4 with a leave-in conditioner from Camille Rose Naturals. I'll put it on the screen, and now what I'm gonna do is put the other sections away so that I can focus on the back section for you. So I'm just putting the rest away. And I have my back section here already detangled. I put water in it to detangle it along with the leave-in conditioner. So let's get into the styling. I have here this mousse from Miel Organics, and I'll be using it to do this wash and go. So I am going to section off my hair. This should be enough for a wash and go, because the key to a good wash and go is really to get the smaller sections. So if you define your curls in smaller sections and your hair is wet, that will help you to get your definition, and that will help you to achieve your bomb wash and go. This is my first time using this mousse, so this will be a review and a kind of demo in a way. So I will put about, let's say, 2 pumps for now, 2 to 3. So I'm gonna put the 3 pumps, and then I am just going to rake it through my hair. So already my curls are defined, and then I'm just going to go in with the cream that I'm going to be using. This product has been a staple for me, so I am really excited to see how it will react with the mousse. So I'm just going to use about this much, and we'll see what happens with this wash and go. And I'm feeling my curls getting really defined. I'm feeling them. I love it. And I'm just going to add a little more of the mousse just to give it some extra. This is 2 pumps, just to give it some extra definition. And here is what the first section is looking like. I am excited for this wash and go, so I will be back when this half is finished. I think I just found my new favorite way of doing wash and goes. I've been hearing this method for the longest from different naturalistas that I follow on Instagram. And honestly, I didn't think that it would have worked for my hair because I detested doing wash and goes with gels. But this combo with the mousse plus the cream, I've been using the cream for years, and honestly it's the same, has never failed me, gave me great definition when I was using it alone. Plus the mousse, y'all see these, right? I'm excited. I'm actually excited to continue doing wash and goes like this because I spent less than an hour doing my hair, and that is a plus. I'm sold. I'm actually sold. So the quick review for the mousse. Honestly, the mousse was very lightweight and it really helped define my curls with the hold. In the back pieces are drying already, and I can see that hold is definitely there with both products, the cream plus the mousse. I can definitely say that both products work well together. It's not a firm and crunchy hold like a gel like Eco Styler or Wetline, but it has a firm hold that is still very flexible if you want to move your hair without that much frizz. This I think will work well for you. And what else to say about it? It has the pomegranate and honey smell. From the time that I was using it, it definitely had the pomegranate smell. I'm not quite sure about the honey, but it definitely had the pomegranate smell. And the drying time, it has been drying since I did the back pieces. My back pieces have been drying, especially with my low porosity hair. You know the struggle. It really has been a great experience using this mousse. I can't wait to try this mousse on other hairstyles, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about my experience with the cream and or the mousse, definitely talk to me in the comments and I'll be sure to answer. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I said, definitely make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload, and like this video as well. It will help me out a lot. And share this video with someone who's interested in trying the Miel Organics mousse and who also wants to try a new combo that won't necessarily weigh down their hair. Definitely send them this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.